Hello! Good afternoon everyone. I'm Selin Ramadini. Now we're at my school, Vocational High School number 7 Batam. I'm one of the students from Computer Network Engineering. Now I'm gonna show you guys about teaching factory and industrial classes that we have in our school. Let's check it out. Okay, now I'm in front of our teaching factory, which is IT Clinic. Okay guys, let's check everything we have in our teaching factory. So guys, first when we enter the IT Clinic room, we have our receptionist and customer service.
Selamat pagi, selamat datang di Klinik Komputer SMK Negeri 7 Batam. Saya Dani Christine, Customer Service dan Resepsionis di Klinik Komputer SMK Negeri 7 Batam. Perkenankan saya membantu masalah dari komputer yang Bapak Ibu miliki.
The product is this Axioo laptop Z10 Metal and some of the toolkits. Right here we have two technicians that will be checking the minor damage of your PCs, and there are some equipment that they use. Right here, we have waiting room for the customers. Now, we're going to entry the SPP and the technician room. Let's go! In this room, there are two technicians that will be checking for major damages on your PCs. After the front technician. There are bursa kerja khusus. There are manager and the service manager of IT clinics too. And this is the structure organization of IT clinic in Vocational High School number 7 Batam. Okay guys, that's all about our IT clinic room. Now, let's move on to our industrial class, Axioo classroom. Let's go! Okay guys, so now we already in the industrial class, Axioo classroom. In here, we learn about robotic and basic programming. So guys, in here we have automatic whiteboard called Axioo board.
Nah, baik untuk teman-teman, kali ini kita akan belajar tentang Embed ya. Embed adalah sebuah robot edukasi STEAM, yang dimana STEAM adalah Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics, yang berbasis Arduino yang dapat diprogram melalui aplikasi Mblox versi 5. Nah, untuk aplikasi ini dapat digunakan untuk semua kalangan umur ya, terutama untuk anak-anak yang masih berumur muda. SD itu sangat dapat digunakan karena dengan tampilan dan warna-warni yang dapat menarik minat anak-anak untuk masuk ke dunia programming.
Okay guys, so we already with trainer from Axioo classroom, Pak Ilham. Could you please tell me a little bit about robotics?
Baik, untuk embed ini sendiri terdiri dari dua mode ya. Untuk mode yang pertama yaitu mode mendeteksi benda yang ada di depan. Jadi ketika ada benda yang ingin menghalangi embednya itu akan berbelok ke kanan atau ke kiri. Nah, untuk mode yang kedua yaitu mode line follower seperti yang kita lihat di sini. Ini menggunakan dan mendeteksi warna hitam dan putih yang ada di banner. Jadi tidak ada alat elektronik apapun di bannernya, ini hanya warna. Jadi embednya ini mendeteksi warna yang dia terima. Itu adalah dua mode yang kita dapatkan ketika waktu setelan publik. Dan di luar dari itu, embed ini juga kita program seperti yang kita mau, seperti apa? Kita dapat mengendalikan berapa lama dia berjalan, setelah itu kecepatan yang embed ini jalankan dan lain sebagainya. Dan banyak yang masih bisa dieksplor oleh teman-teman semua.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do an interview with one of the students of SEO class. Could you introduce yourself first?
Hello everyone, my name is Dino Prasetyo Panegoro. I am one of the students from Computer Network Engineering of Vocational High School 7 Batam.
Okay, so I would like to ask you some questions. The first question is, what are you learning from this lesson?
The lesson I am learning right now is about robotics. The lesson teaches about on how to move a robot with using an M-block application.
What do you got from this lesson?
I got new experience and also new knowledge.
It's very interesting. What could you utter that you got from this question? I mean, this lesson.
It was all fun and interesting to experience. I love to work together with my friends, and also the teacher method teaching is also easy to understand.
Okay, thank you, Dino.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, I'm gonna ask some questions too to another student of SEO class. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Dian Landrum. I'm one of the student from Computer Network Engineering of Vocational High School 7 Batam.
Okay, so I would like to ask you some questions. What are you learning right now?
This lesson teaches a way to move a robotic using M-block application.
Okay, so what do you got from this lesson?
I got knowledge about system in M-block, and then we know how to code in an easy way.
What do you feel learning this lesson?
I feel happy, fun, and enjoy it.
Okay, thank you so much, Dian.
You're welcome.
Baik, untuk di embed ini sendiri ada beberapa sensor ya atau device yang dapat menghubungkan embednya ke perangkat lain. Yang pertama adalah sensor. Nah, sensor itu ada yang mendeteksi cahaya. Setelah itu ada RGB LED yang dapat mengeluarkan output cahayanya. Setelah itu ada line follower yang dapat mengikuti jalan warna hitam dan putih, ada Bluetooth, dual motor, dan juga speaker.
Alright guys, it's all about our teaching factory and industrial class. It's interesting, right, to learn about our school, Vocational High School number 7 Batam. So come and please join to study together with us. That's all from me. Thank you so much. See you!